Hi there, welcome to my channel. Ever wondered why Bitcoin is often called inflation-proof? Let's break it down. First, Bitcoin has a fixed supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. Unlike fiat currencies, which central banks can print endlessly, Bitcoin's scarcity ensures its value isn't diluted by overproduction. Think of it like gold. There's only so much, and that scarcity makes it valuable. Second, it's decentralized. Traditional currencies are controlled by central banks that can change monetary policy at will, often leading to inflation. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, making it immune to policy-driven inflation. Then there's the halving mechanism. Bitcoin's supply is introduced through mining, and every 4 years, the rewards for mining are cut in half. This slows the rate of new Bitcoins entering the system, making it increasingly scarce over time. But wait, why do crypto prices rise and fall so much if they're inflation-proof? That's because their value is influenced by other factors, like market speculation, regulatory news, and adoption trends. The design makes them resistant to inflation, but their price volatility is a different story. Now, does crypto bring real-world value? Absolutely. It promotes financial inclusion, allowing billions without bank accounts to access digital currency. It's revolutionizing cross-border payments, making them faster and cheaper. Through blockchain technology, it offers transparency and security for things like supply chains and healthcare records. Still, cryptocurrencies are young compared to assets like gold. Their volatility can limit their effectiveness as a short-term hedge against inflation. However, as adoption grows, they could become even more stable and valuable. So, while crypto might not be perfect, its design, especially Bitcoin's, makes it a compelling tool against inflation and a step toward a more decentralized financial system.